5 deactivations, just hit 5.5k revenue with 15 sales a day, and no sales now, just gone downhill. Bro, this is why have I shown you guys the Etsy Kings t-shirt? It's more stores on the back. Like we push this heavily, I push this heavily, and the guys inside of Etsy Kings push this heavily. Like more stores, bro, you always need diversification. If you have one girlfriend, bro, you're just one girlfriend away from being single. If you're one store, you're one store away from being fucking broke, okay? So you always need multiple stores, always running at the same time as well. And you never want one store to take over, say, 30% of your income, because that's when you become in a precarious position, okay? Quick interruption to this video, I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.